to the nations and peoples of the world, we send greetings and pledge ourselves to cooperate with them in furthering peace, freedom, and democracy. And to India, our much loved motherland, the ancient, the eternal, and the ever new, we pay our reverent homage and we bind ourselves afresh to her service. Next para. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your kind letter of 1st May. It is indeed a matter of regret to us that our negligence has given you reason to complain from what you have seen of us in the course of our long-standing business relations. You must have been convinced that we are ever mindful of the interest of our valued customers. It is our duty, therefore, to clear up the charge of negligence rightly brought against us by you, if only to remove the blot on the fair name of our company.